Yo, yo, what's good? It's your boy Chevy. You tuned in for another one. As you can see, the board has not really changed much. First, or should I say the second week of February, and we finna be throwing a little extra in there. Show you what I'm talking about. So, as you can see, got the Landau taped off, sanded. I figured since I already got it in here, I'm gonna just go ahead and blast it. And go from there. We had already done the roof. And we already did the hood. I really don't want to put it outside looking crazy. But more so, I mean, it's just the fact that it's already here. The way my schedule be, time be short or whatnot. So since it's already in here, let's go ahead and knock it out, right? So, body work for the most part, as I can tell already, not too bad. High build primer's gonna take care of a lot of that. There were some spots where I kind of ended up going to metal, so I'm gonna go back with the etch primer, spray that on there. Actually, as soon as I locate the can, go ahead and get the etch primer on there. When I go to work today, I need to get some razor blades and some. I was thinking about fooling with the plastic. I don't really know how that's gonna work. So I might just stick with the paper for now. But yeah, you see it. You see it. So we got everything, like I said, scuffed up. We should be priming the next day or so. Get the primer on it, block sand it. Like I said, I don't see any major imperfections as of now, so I don't think it's gonna be anything that's gonna reveal itself, but you never know. So, what else? But yeah, I made the decision. I'm gonna go ahead and push forward, and I'm gonna take it from there. Yeah, so I need some razor blades. I need to get some plastic or whatever to cover up the wheels. I'm gonna say that's about it. After that, it's prime time, baby. Prime time. Go ahead and shoot it, pull it out, and then go and get the Tudo in here. This may take me a couple weeks, but it might take me out a month. I don't really know, but we'll see. We shall see. All right, so we back from the Harbor Frizzates. We got, they only put 2 on the shelf. I don't know why. Maybe 2 is all they had, but I got them. And I sent my buddy Cortez a picture. I told him I left him 1. But it wasn't a refill kit. It was just a starter kit. I'll let him get the next shipment. I should need it. I should need it probably for, because this is the 10 cups. So I don't know how, because like doing the hood and the roof, I probably use like a cup and a half, or was it 3? It was like 3. Well, it was like 2.5 really. So it was like 2.5 for each of these. So while you can mix it up, it says on the cup, like it's made to where you can measure it. It's made to where you can measure it on the cup. I'm just not comfortable with it just yet, to where I could measure or could do it that way. And it's like a 2-to-1. 2-to-1-to-1. So I mean it'd be like 2, 2, 3, 3. But if I want to mix anything larger than this 20 ounce, if I want to mix anything larger than that 20 ounce, then I'm screwed. So this is like a 24 ounce cup. So the way I like to do it is I get me one of these larger cups. Say like a cup like this that has, say, 40, 48. This one has 64 ounces. So I could go ahead and I can mix up whatever ratio that I need. I'm saying whether it's 3-to-1, 2-to-1, 4-to-1, whatever it needs to be, I can go ahead and mix it up in this larger container and have more material, and then I don't have to do it in each individual cup. And then to me, like, it makes more sense to mix it up in this pour, like if I had to say these were the filter cups, so I would go pour. So I mix it up in here, pour, and then I go shoot, versus mixing up each one individually. It just makes more sense to me, but you know, do what works for you. Yeah, so like I said, I'm not 100% on how much I'm gonna end up using. Like I said, this was like the cup and a half. I think on this, when the first time I did it, gave me like a coat or like 2 coats of like primer, whereas when I did the hood and the roof, I think I used like 2.5. So I'm thinking maybe, I mean, I know this is longer. This is way more area to cover than that, which is, like I said, my reasoning for getting more cups, so that I mix it up. And like I said, a larger container like this. And then I think I even got another one. I went up another size. Let me show you over here. My bag of goodies. So I had like the smaller ones. And then I got this. Well, actually, this is the small one. Looks like. So this is 48 ounces. And then, yeah. Oh, okay. So this is a large one. So yeah, up to 64 ounces in this. up to 48 ounces in that. And I thought it was, yeah. I know I had one more size. So yeah. And then if I just want to mix it, all the hell, I can mix up 128 ounces. And then I just spread it as I see fit. Go ahead and fill up all 5 cups, 6 cups, whatever it needs to be. I'm anticipating maybe 5 and 5 maybe, which is why I got the 2 10 cups. So 10 cups for the clear, or 10 cups for the base, 10 cups for the clear. I'm thinking. I don't know that to be true. 5 cups. 5 cups at 20 ounces a piece. That's 100. So mix it up to like 104. Or like I said, if it need to be 120, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and mix that up the way it need to be and be good to go. So it would basically be like 81, 61, 61, 41, 41, 1-to-1. I don't know why they don't have a fucking 2-to-1 on this bitch. I guess that's the 2-to-1. No, that's the 6-to-2-to-1. But whatever it is, Underground Paint King showed me how to use on his video how he just pull it up. So if the mix is 2-to-1, then you would go like, for every 2 parts of this, you go 1. So you can use this as well if I guess your actual mix ratio is not on the cup, which is kind of odd because I thought it always was. But yeah, 1-to-1 is right there, 3-to-1, etc., etc. So should be good to go. Now I can mix up as much as I need. So no problems there. Alright, let's start up some fucking old schools. Alright, so as you can see and hear, whole lot of Chevy talk going on around this bitch. Yes, sir. I'm gonna let them run a little bit and then I guess that'll wrap the video up. Next time you see this one, man, it should be prime time for the land out. Should be prime time for the Broham. Next time you see it, and then of course, you know, on the paint. So just another day in the life of that boy LS Chevy 254, man. So remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strengths. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.